It's not just using the mind to strengthen the body. In the beginning, I would even say it's the opposite way. We are using our body to strengthen the mind.
The mind is the origin of everything you experience. Every emotion, every interpretation, every action stems from it. But the mind is also wild. It runs toward distraction. It clings to comfort. It fears uncertainty. If left untamed, it becomes like an untrained animal, reacting to every movement, noise, or threat without discernment. And so, the path begins not in trying to suppress the mind, but in learning to observe it. Shi Heng Yi teaches that clarity arises not from thinking more, but from thinking less. To develop the mind is not to fill it, but to empty it. Just like a cup must be emptied before it can receive, the mind must let go before it can understand. This is why stillness is so powerful. In stillness, truth arises.
It is the strength, it is the discipline, and it is the power of the mind that starts to make your dreams and your visions and the goals that you have to make them come true.
The journey of developing the mind is not about becoming someone else. It's about returning to who you already are beneath all the noise. The mind, when aligned, becomes your greatest ally. It gives you clarity in chaos. It gives you focus amidst distraction. It gives you strength where there was once fear.
You achieve things by staying committed, this is one thing, and second of all, by having a mind which is not easily breakable, which cannot easily break. And this is why when we are using our body, for example, just standing in different positions, just staying still, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, don't move. Then what will happen is, slowly you start, maybe you get tired, body starts to shake, but what is giving up the first is not the body. Normally it is your mind which starts to give up, because your mind is saying, oh, this is getting exhausting, how long do I still need to hold it, it's already shaking, I think I will stop it. And this is exactly the point where now, because your mind is challenged, because your mind right now is like, now's the time where you decide. Either you really stay disciplined and stay strong, or you give up.
Shi Heng Yi reminds us that the path is not easy. It requires showing up even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. That is where growth lives, in the friction, in the resistance, in the struggle to stay present when the world pulls you away. But every time you come back, you grow stronger, not in muscle, but in awareness. Let's begin with a Qigong routine designed to fix your life. It balances your energy, grounds your emotions, clears your mind, and revitalizes your physical body.
In the beginning, you don't need to jump very high, just make relax. So relax as much as you can, so you can have a good feeling for your own body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Don't forget to breathe. Slap the body again.
As you breathe, visualize golden energy flowing in with each inhale and old tension releasing with each exhale.
So, also in this small swinging exercise right now, don't do so much. Don't do so much means feel how the elasticity of the body is pulling the arms back. Now, open, 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 open.
This movement symbolizes drawing energy from heaven and sending it down to earth. It awakens the spine, shoulders, and lungs, improving blood and qi flow. It also balances yin and yang forces in the body.
Stretch the chest open. Continue with this exercise, and we are opening now 18 times. So the chest area, swing the arm open on both sides. Sometimes you can alternate. Left is a little bit more up or right is a little bit more up. Always change in between. Feel how the different layers of your muscles and the different group of muscles are being trained and are being exercised. So go 18 times from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we move down to hip area. Hands on the
Shi Heng Yi encourages using the motion to let go of tension, anxiety, and fatigue. It also massages the internal organs gently, improving their function and keeping the body warm.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
This exercise builds internal strength and stamina. Though static, it creates energetic pressure that strengthens the lower dantian and calms the mind.
So, next exercise, we're taking our knees. Our knees, once again, put the feet together. Both hands you can use to support your joints, support the knees in the beginning, but actually you don't need them. But if you want, you can still keep them here. That help you a little bit. But from here, legs straight. Legs straight means the kneecaps are loose. Massage a little bit. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I use the thumb right now. Just circle around the kneecap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now kneecaps are okay. So legs straight, then squat. Up, straight, down. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, 6, 7,
It holds the power you've generated so it can nourish your system throughout the day.
9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now, after the knees, come the ankles. One foot stay firmly on the ground. Yes. One reason why I'm telling you all the time to keep your awareness or to train to keep the mind on the spine is because the spine sometimes is regarded as the axle of yourself, the axle of your body. So once you have a feeling how your axle is standing, then it becomes possible for you to make adjustments in order to always keep this axle straight, and also meaning in balance.